Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. Today we have a very useful video. If your Windows 11 computer is experiencing an audio delay where the sound is lagging out of sync behind your videos or games, it is usually caused by conflicting audio enhancements or an incorrectly configured bitrate. I will show you exactly how to adjust these settings and fix your audio latency right now. Let's get started. First, Windows includes built-in software enhancements that attempt to artificially improve your sound quality, but they frequently introduce processing latency and desynchronize your audio. Open your Windows settings, ensure you are on the System tab on the left sidebar, and click on Sound. Click directly on your primary output device, such as your speakers or headphones, to open its specific properties menu. Scroll down to the Advanced section, look for Audio Enhancements, and change the drop-down menu from Device Default Effects to Off. Next, if your audio output format is set to an overly high studio quality bitrate, your system might struggle to process it in real time, causing a noticeable delay. Stay right there in your specific audio device properties menu inside the Windows settings. Look just above the Enhancements option for a setting named Format located under the Output Settings section. Click the drop-down menu and lower the bitrate to 16-bit 48,000 Hz DVD quality, which is the standard, universally compatible format that prevents processing bottlenecks. Finally, if the audio is still lagging behind your video, the underlying Windows audio service or the device driver itself may be glitching and needs a forced restart. Go back to the main System tab in your Windows settings, scroll down the right side, and click on Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters, locate the Audio or Playing Audio entry near the top, and click the Run button. Follow the automated prompts to allow Windows to scan for hardware conflicts, restart your background audio services, and automatically apply the necessary driver fixes. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.